So if you've watched the last video, you know I mentioned having something to go with Saber, and that would be this guy right here, Merlin. So I unboxed him, got all the footage, recorded my audio separately, and then OpenShot software I'm using to edit was just like, no, we're not going to work. So it's got a video preview function, which I was using to line up the audio as well as the video, and it's just like, no, we're not gonna work, and so we're gonna just skip that. So here's Merlin, here's Saber. The whole thing it came with was, so Saber got the base parts over there, they don't really attach to anything, and then Merlin here, the deluxe version, came with these flowers, as well as Merlin does come with the transparent true name revealed Excalibur. So if you just get regular Saber 600, then you can put them together and have it look like this. But yes, anyway, let's do the other thing I want to unbox today. Alright, let's get into what I want to do today. So today, on top of some cool lights that I bought, we have, ta-da, Hatsune Miku Append Nendoroid 194. So I wasn't really gonna get this one, but then I found out it lights up, and I thought, hey, that's kind of neat. Let's give it a go. So the base right over there, that's the bit with the light, and I want to hope that this thing comes with batteries. If not, this is gonna get uploaded much later. And she's got a cool, like, kind of transparent-ish hair for the append. Don't even know what that word means. Is it a word? Is it made up? Who knows? But here's the box, pretty much. You know, standard Vocaloid experience. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. Alright, we got some instructions. Let's see. Alright, so pretty much standard stuff. I might look at this a little later to see how the base works. Let's put that aside for now. And close this guy back up. Alright. So this guy was new as well, which is pretty nice. Still in great condition by the looks of it. Doesn't even seem to have been opened, even though it's being sold as pre-owned. Their grading system at Ami is pretty freaking good. Alright, we got some extra bit of tape. Let's try and get rid of this guy. And another one over here. I've just realized I've got my fan on in the background. I'm gonna go turn that off. Okay, fan is off. Hopefully the audio is not completely ruined in that first bit. Do we have any more tape? Does not look like it. Alright, let's get into it. Came off fairly easily. Alright. More plastic as usual. Oh yeah, this is new. Let's grab the habits out, pull these bits. Which way do you go? You go like this. Is that in? Not quite. I think it's gotta be a little bit of an angle. It's not right video, I just bought it. Yeah, that looks about right. Miku in all of her glory. Let's try to get this to focus. Come on, camera. You can do this. I got a new camera as well, so bear with the weirdness. That'll do. Her hand's got a nice little thingamabob on her middle finger, I guess. I always thought gloves like that kind of look neat. I really quite like the hair, by the looks of it, this one's meant to have her twin tails stand out a bit more. And then I guess this is to like connect her to the base, maybe? Like, kind of looks like a stage wire, like, you know, she kind of just comes down from somewhere. Alright, so that's it for the main body. Then we have the stand, which we will figure out later. What else do we have? I guess this is regular base, if you don't want the light up one. Or maybe it goes under. God. Smiling face here. Figure is a bit sticky. I guess it is an older one, so it must have been packaged for quite a long time. Getting all that, not getting oxidized, I guess. Let's see, what else do we have here? We've got a different piece here. This has some transparent bits. I guess we'll figure that out later. I won't pull out too much here, so this I believe is part of the base. A couple of legs and arms over here. Some wires to go on the base as well, I believe, and some more hands, and then an interesting stand piece. Alright, I think I'm going to give this figure a wash, just to get all that sticky residue off, and we'll be back in a second with some poses. Okay, so, real quick, finished giving Miku a bath, and I kind of noticed that there aren't too many different poses for this figure, so there's the one that it came straight out of the box with. Then there's this like different one which has her arms extended and that cord thing over there. And then it's just her kind of holding her head as if she's got headphones on. And honestly, it's just not worth showing off because the other one was a pain to put together. So I'm just gonna show that one off. All right, here it is. All right, so here's Miku in all of her glory in her cool floaty pose, and yeah, I also got one of these rotating thingies, so now I don't have to use my hand anymore, except it's solar powered and it's out of battery because it's the middle of the night, so we're just gonna nudge it. So much for not using my hand, am I right? Okay, hopefully the studio light is gonna trick it enough. But yes, so batteries are dead, given that the figure has been in its box for who knows how many years. Come on, figure, you can do it. Let's like give it. It's speeding up now. So yeah, batteries are dead. The light doesn't work. I'll probably order some new ones and put it in a different video. But yeah, I think the pose is super cool, like her floating off the ground. She's attached by like a little cord back there. And then I'm sure it'll look even cooler once the base lights up. The cord is quite a stern piece of plastic, like it doesn't move too much, so I was worried about her, like, you know, kind of tilting off the base thing and kind of going like that and snapping it, but she seems to be okay for now. And then she's got like the floaty tie as well as the hair's kind of position, so it looks like that's floating as well. I kind of got her looking up because I think it looks a bit better than her just looking straight forward. Kind of looks like I'm ascending to somewhere. And then she's got like the little base bits all come apart as well, like these side things fall off if you want them to. The black part comes off. It says Miku Append right over there, but you probably can't see it because back camera. So black part comes off as well, and yeah, that's honestly about it for this figure. Oh wait, I'll spin her back around. This thing here, I don't know what you'd call it, that can like kind of tilt back and forward. It's on 2 ball points, so they kind of spin around as well. So yeah, that's about it for this figure. Hopefully I can find those batteries. I'll show you the batteries actually. Got them somewhere. Here they are. So the batteries are up. Brilliant. They're very small. They're like, I believe they're called LR41. I'll figure out where to buy them and put them in a future video because I do want to display it with the lights on. I think so there's a light just like under the cord. I'm assuming it's not fantastically bright, but hey, it'll do the trick. It'll look cool if I turn the lights off. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next unboxing. See ya!